the hell was that noise?
Now you have to live with it. But what really sucks is that this never happens on the last bite of your meal. So now the meal is ruined because your mouth is pulsing. And that sudden jolts of reality runs through your mind. This life will never allow you to go back and remove the pain. It's all there. We all gotta learn from it. We all gotta learn to move on.
This shit is whack.
Or push the head of the